Yeah, I remember that day. We had just finished a standard evac situation. Group of civilians trapped on the bridge. Had Zeke running towards the city, ready to tear everyone to pieces. So we took out the bridge, and through the smoke, I saw someone was alive. Had no idea I'd find my best operative that day.
Cease the airstrike. There's someone still kicking. Hey, you on the breach. Come in. Grab that walkie-talkie if you want to get out in one piece. Good. You're alive. Can't afford to lose any more people. We'll get you out, but you'll need to go further down to the evacuation point first. Med spray. Good find. Patch yourself up. I'll open those gates remotely. Hit the intercom when you're ready. Zeke incoming! Traps are still working. Lucky. Can't rely on luck all the time. Find a gun. I'm sure there's something lying around. Push that bastard back. Now, you need to load that thing. See the big crate? We started to drop supplies ahead of the mission. It's for our operatives to use, so help yourself. There's plenty to go around. Those locks only look tough. Shoot it off or break it with your gun when you're done here. See those dormant freaks? They haven't seen you yet. Shoot them before they notice you. Use someone who can handle a gun in our ranks, if you make it out. You'll have to climb over that big truck. Watch your back. Check your surroundings from time to time. The better stuff you find, the more chances you'll have out there. Glass is bulletproof, but if you blow up all those barrels, that might be enough to break it. Give Give those grenades a try. I should probably ask where you learned to throw nades like that, rookie. You live, you'll owe me the story. Don't let him get close. Remember the turret from earlier? We dropped those locked, so only our team can use it. Grab the key from that big orange case and get that baby up and running. Pilot says he can't see jack shit in this smoke. You'll have to signal your position somehow. See what you can find around. Help is on its way, rookie. But we aren't the only ones who just saw that shot. Big horde is coming.